How to disable direct messages on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disable direct messages on Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then go to server you want to disable direct messages and then click here and then settings, not this one, click here and then go this one, uh, turn it off if you want. If you turn this one off you will disable direct messages from server members, and if you turn it on again you will receive direct messages. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you at the next video.